The view is honestly something else. I can't stop staring at the colourful buildings. Say bye. Bye. Bye, sweet. Thank you. Bye. Good morning. It's the last day today and we're checking out. As you can see, our suitcases are here. So our itinerary for today, we're going to go to get breakfast and then we're gonna get on a transfer. So we're gonna go on a boat to Symi Island and then we're gonna go to St. George's Bay, stop over for about 30 minutes or so and then come back here and then we're gonna shower, get ready, freshen up, get on the plane and go home. It will be like midnight when we get our flight as well, so. Breakfast here. We've got pancakes with chocolate. Honestly, these are so good. 2 boiled eggs and then bread with butter. We're waiting for our transfer. It is 10:01 and it's not here. We're having lunch. We're having lunch by the sea.
By the quay.
By the quay. We're having lunch by the quay. The view is honestly something else. I can't stop staring at the colourful buildings. Bless you. Bye, hotel. Goodbye.
Hi guys.
Goodbye for now. It's bye guys now. Restaurant, but we have now checked in, dropped off our bags. We just need to eat. Oh,
got more selections here than the other one.
I got pizza.
Thank you, Lord, for this food.
I want a crisp. I want a crisp to this.
What did you get, Mommy?
Chicken pie?
What's that? Ham and cheese baguette. We're at our gate now. You know what? This couldn't have gotten any more chaotic. When we were waiting at our gate, it was really packed, and the air conditioning wasn't working. So now we've just gone through passport control and we're sat out our gate, and it's so much more cooler. So for the past like hour or so we could have sat in here than there, like crammed in with everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you. Have a nice flight. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm just kidding.
We arrived at night time and we're leaving at night time.
Oh, good to know. Yeah, good to know. Pero hotel muna ka sa akin. Kasi dito sa pintuan eh.
It's three something in the morning, and we just arrived, and we're now waiting for our suitcases to come. I am so tired. But I'll end the vlog here. Thank you for watching. Bye. Say bye, vlog. Bye bye.
Hi guys.
No, you have to say bye.
Bye.